Hi, welcome back. Uh, this is day three, session two. Today already we are discussing about the rise, the necessity. Now we are going to discuss about productivity, how to increase the productivity. So that's very important one in the business. Without productivity, we are not do the business. So how much we are going to productive, then we are getting the sales and make more profits. That's the equation. So here, how we are going to increase our productivity. That's the main area. In usually, if you wants to increase your productivity, that's based on your primary field of interest. What you are going, what you have the interest on the field, how to focus on that. That's the improve your productivity. And moreover, you avoid the distractions on that. Usually you are going to do some work. At the time there is a lot of distractions. If you actually you are going to open the business, you have to decide and do the preliminary works for that. And then at the time you got the very good employment order. What you are going to do? Here is the business, here is the order, employment order. What you are going to do? If you want to success in your life, if you want to success even goal, if you want to success in your dream, if you want to success in your business, you should avoid that distraction. Even that is an opportunity. Whenever you are avoid the distractions, even the opportunities, you should focus on your primary things. What you are interested, your primary interest, what you are going, what is your dream. So you should target on such things. Your focus will be concentrate on the such things. The lot of distractions will be disturbing you and make you to divert, and you are losing your concentration, you are losing your temper, and it make you to make yourself defeated. So if you want to success in anything, you should focus on your primary interest. You should focus on your dreams. So majorly avoid the distractions, and then the specific focus. Here I want to tell one story. Sylvester Stallone. I hope so. You are all know the Hollywood actor. Actually, he is in today. Everybody knows he is a superstar in Hollywood. But at the earlier days, he doesn't have the opportunity to act. The every producers there is in our country we says producers, in there there is an agents. So the agents are refusing him for his face. So he is hardly tried to act, but there is no result on such things. The family is in suffered. His wife earning something, so he is manage such things. One day the wife says, if you are going for some jobs, otherwise I am going to divorce you. but he is not changed his mind. He is focused on the cine actor. So it is his dream. Lot of things happen in his life. There is no sight on, there is no success or no options to, not able to cite the options. So he is very depressed, and his wife also leave from him. No paise in his hand, no dollars. So he is worried and suffered, and then he is writing the story. One day he is see in the shop, there is one book selling, wide range of selling. In the library he sees seen that. So there is a spark on his mind. Immediately he is writing the story, and then he is again tapped to agents with that story. Everybody refusing that. The only one person accept it. He is offering more than $100,000. So, but he is refusing. He is offering more and more, but he says, I want to act in this story. I am the hero of this story. But the agent will refuse. If you need, get more money, but I won't allow you to act in this picture. But he is adamant. He stands on his claim. So after that, the agent also accept. He is offering more than $300,000 to his story, but he is refusing. Finally, the agent accept. He is the actor, hero of the movie, and he had the demand, if you are going to act in this movie, I will pay only $30,000. $300,000 to only $30,000. Okay, is accepted, and then act that movie. After that, rest of the things is the history of his life. So very successful movie on that, and then he is earning $1 trillion. So finally, he is the superstar of the Hollywood. Here you should know how he stands for his focus, primary interest, and then how to focus on such things. So that's the main thing to increase your productivity. So again and again, and says you should concentrate on your interest. You should concentrate on your focus. You should stand with your dreams. That only that only increase your productivity. If you have do here and there, you are going to multitasker. That's not the given much productivity for you. If you do one thing at one time, and then your concentration fully on that, then only you get the results. So today this session is completely focused on productivity. I hope so. The day 3, we are discussing about the necessity and productivity. tomorrow we have to discuss about how to influence and how to develop your influence on others, and then how to demonstrate your courage. We are going to discuss on day 4 tomorrow. And moreover, final day, the 5th day, we have the live session, mastermind session. On that day, we have to discuss whatever you have the questions on your mind. We will discuss and make you to behave like a millionaire. Very nice. And then happy to all. Bye bye. Signing off. Mukundan, Business Transformation Coach. Thank you all.